ASAP Plumbing and Septic Services. We are in the process of changing out a lid. We did an inspection on this 750-gallon septic tank. The tank is about 50 years old, give or take about 10 years. It was designed to hold about 750 gallons. We're going to be removing the lid. There's one lid that's broke on the end there, and then we're going to use our crane, and we're going to pick up a new lid and set it in place. ASAP has two crane trucks, and one of the crane trucks is located in the Jacksonville market, and it is a very used crane. It is out all the time, putting in all types of different devices, trying to save our employees' backs in particular. Septic tank lids are pretty heavy and pretty hard to maneuver in the location where they're at. So we end up bringing the crane in, and we'll buy the 1, 2, 3 septic tank lids, and we've also bought them way bigger than this. This one's approximately 3 feet by 4 feet, about 12 square feet. It's got eyelets in it, which allows us to hook onto it with the crane. And so our crane is gonna pretty much do all the work except taking that old one out. And again, that's ASAP ASAP Plumbing and Septic Services. Our phone number is 904-346-1266. 904-346-1266. In the Gainesville market, our phone number is 352-335-8555. 352-335-8555. And again, that's ASAP Plumbing and Septic Services. If y'all need help, let me know.
That clean out one there, the perfect. You just slip it right over.
Yeah.
That one. Might be able to still stand it up though.
You need a piece of plywood or some kind of wood, or I can stand on that side with a shovel, keeping it from hanging onto it. You can also flip it this way. What about the
angle? I think it's got a crack.
All right, so you just want to roll it?
That's what we're gonna try to do, is roll it back that way.
Okay, that'll work.